clear final call, and they're off. Early lead is taken by Una Moher, followed by Sir Frederick on the outside, and entry number 5, and that is Interceptor. And moving up on the inside, Sophia's Fury, and Jerry is bringing up the rear. And nearing the far turn, Una Mujer by the rear, Sir Frederick on the outside, Interceptor running in third by 4.5 lengths, entry number 1, Sophia's Fury and Angeli. And rounding the far turn, there is still Una Mujer in the lead by the rail on the outside. Is Sir Frederick. Interceptor remains in third by 5 lengths, and closing in fourth is entry number 1, Sophia's Fury. The last bend for home, it is still Una Mujer by half a length, followed by Sir Frederick on the outside, and closing in third is entry number 1, Sophia's Fury. At the top of the stretch, it is still Una Mujer in the lead, followed by Sir Frederick and Sophia's Fury moving up on the farther outside. But it's still Una Mujer in the lead, Sir Frederick, and moving up on the outside is Sophia's Fury and Jenny by the rail. And nearing the payoff line, it is still Una Mujer. And finally, it's Una Mujer, Sophia's Fury, and Jenny, Interceptor, Sir Frederick.